Alright guys, this is the $70 computer today. You can see we're running Heaven Benchmark right now. It has a Q6600 in it and a 750 Ti. This is actually a 750, but I'll have B-roll the 750 Ti. It's in a Dell Dimension 9200, which I actually got from someone in my lacrosse team. He just kind of was like, yo, I have an old computer, and I was like, yo, I'll take it. I took it, and that's whenever I first built my computer behind me, Omega, which is a 4690K 960, but I didn't really know much about old hardware then. That's why I bought that instead of Xeons. So be expecting to see a Xeon build soon, probably. That's why I got this computer and I didn't do anything with it, because I was like, I seen it was a dual core and I got it and I was like, wow, I can't really do anything with it. I wasn't really good at uninstalling BIOS or uninstalling OSs and reinstalling them because I just couldn't find it out for some reason. I put Windows 8.1 on it, so it's on Windows 8.1 right now, and I was like, wow, I can actually do something with this. And I remember one of my friends at school, he had a Intel 2 Quad, and this was an Intel 2 Duo whenever I first got it. So I looked back on his Instagram and I was like, what CPU did he have? I seen it was a Q6600. So I looked up LGA 775. I seen that this processor was an LGA 775. I don't know why I didn't do it the other way around. But I seen it was LGA 775, which is what the Q6600 is. I got a Q6600 on eBay for $15. I was actually pretty disappointed when I first got it, because there was thermal paste all over it still. They didn't clean it off at all, and it looked like they just kept stacking them. Like they put them out of old computers and they just kept stacking them up. So there was thermal paste all over the pins. So I had to completely clean out the whole CPU, but it's good now. It works. It runs games, as you can see. Have a benchmark, even though it doesn't CPU based at all. Even though Prime 95 is running at full settings right now, you can probably barely hear the computer, if you can even hear it. It is at 100% right now, maxed on everything. It's Prime 95, and the fans are still this quiet. That we're playing the games on medium and not ultra. Even though this computer actually can run it on ultra, I've done it on a different hard drive. So this hard drive is actually a laptop hard drive. I would use a different hard drive, but I currently don't have that hard drive with me. I let someone use it. But as you can see in most games, our frames are limiting, and that's because our hard drive is maxing out. Like in Overwatch, you can see we're getting 60 FPS. That's because the frame rate is maxing out on it. Alright guys, so the reason I didn't put the other drive in it is because I'm using it right now as it is, as I got it for free, besides the 750 Ti that I got for $50 off someone I know. I bought it off them. They were upgrading to a 970 or something, and I bought it off of them. Same with this monitor, I bought that off them too. Alright guys, so I just trying to keep it as the $70 PC, even though I paid $15. It does in total of 70, but I just kind of rounded it up because I'm not very good at math. Might as well just round it so I'm not wrong. It'll be over. You can watch one of our other videos, like the monitor video. Pretty sick video. You should see it. Pretty sick. Like I said, sick video. Go watch it. Here's the video.